recording? I guess so. Hey, okay, Google, pause. Okay, everybody. Okay, see, there's a little bit of a delay. All right, hello. So, welcome to Clean It Up with Karl, episode 2. Now, I know I'm not necessarily going to be cleaning up a friend's room right now, but I guess I would like to show you a little bit about where I currently live and where things are that I could improve on as far as cleaning up even my own place. So, hey, you know, I should be the cleaning expert, right? But even I am guilty of having things be a little bit dirty, if you know what I mean. So let's go take a look around and give you a kind of like a tour of my apartment, as well as giving you some organizing tips, as well as maybe you could give me some suggestions on where I could improve. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I live in an apartment building and I'm on the 8th floor. So let's go ahead and open the door and welcome to my apartment. All right, so shoes off, and I got this really cool space here that can hold, let's just say, a lot of pairs of shoes, but I don't have that many yet. All right, so let's go ahead and give you the boring apartment tour. Oh my gosh. So basically, yeah, I have a living room. I've got a 4K HDR TV. I could get into a lot more technical detail. But what you'll discover is I'm a huge geek, so I could get into way too much detail. Those could be for other videos if you want, but that's up to you. So yeah, I do have an Xbox One X, as well as a Nintendo 64 hooked up to this. Yeah, I can have tons of fun with that. And then if you take a look, you can see that I have all these Nintendo 64 games, all nice laid out in a row there. The controllers could be wrapped up, come on, I know. And then, yeah, I got this like Nintendo 64 drawer that's all like, you know, pretty much organized by the games that I'm going to play the most are going to be in the front. So that's one organizational tip. The things you want to access the most should be easiest to access, and they should be up front or they should be easy to reach, etc. So yeah, and then I do have this sound bar, which is going to be has 3 speakers, center channel, and all the. Okay, I'm not going to geek out, but one more thing. Is I do have surround sound, so I do have the 2 speakers up there, and I have the one up there. And one thing that's kind of funny, and I'm going to get down on the floor here, is that I have, oh my god, well, there is, oh my gosh, I might have to pause the video for this, but I don't care, it's just candid, whatever, let's do this. Alright, yeah, so I got a subwoofer, yeah, got a subwoofer. And it's under my couch, so every time there's like a boom sound, like boom, I can feel it like right under my butt. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and kind of back it up here. And now, as you can imagine, I'm walking backwards with like this like selfie stick tripod, whatever thing, you know, very new to this YouTubing stuff, or should I say YouTubing crap. Anyways, so there's like this really low ceiling here, but I have this office space, and basically I have, take a look here. There's a computer that I built myself. It's really old now, it needs to be upgraded, but it can still do everything I need on there. Just not like VR or something crazy. Got a 2 monitor setup. Yeah, it's an office, whatever, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and explore a little bit more of my apartment. And as you can see, there is a kitchen, but not really like a big kitchen. I mean, it is a kitchen. It has a couple burners. I have like a coffee setup here. Oh, one thing that's kind of weird, like, is that I actually have a washing machine that also dries in the same machine. So that's kind of a weird thing. I've only ever seen that outside of the United States. But thank goodness, because it's not like I have an area for like, you know, the dryer or anything like that. So this is a really small, efficient apartment. So speaking of that, as you can see, there's these stairs here. And let's go ahead and let's go up the stairs. Whoa! That's why you have to grab on. And it's really important that these are sturdy. Other apartments I looked at, these were not sturdy. So this is for safety. Okay, so let's go ahead. I don't even know if the angles are right. I don't know what this looks like. My camera's flipped the other way just so I can do 4K for you guys. So I have no idea what I'm filming, but that's okay. Alright, so now I'm here in my bedroom, and as you can see, it's a bedroom. Whoop-de-doo. Yay. Alright. And I have a closet and everything behind me over there. And yeah, I mean, you could take a look if you want. I mean, there's like this area here is like clothes. You can see like I got all my long sleeves in there. I mean, really anything that needs to be on a hanger, but they're mostly long sleeves. There is a closet with storage in there. Blah, 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 blah. And one thing that's kind of cool, sorry, I thought I pressed a button on my phone and it would stop recording. You can like put other stuff in there. I don't have any more blankets, so whatever. But okay, yeah, so there's one thing here though that's kind of funny, is that like, if you take a look, you can see that I have 3 different drawers, but below the lowest drawer I've got is one of my most proud organizational drawers is my t-shirt drawer. So as you can see, everything's folded super nice, and you can see everything, and I can actually show you how you do that if you're curious. And yeah, why don't I just go ahead and show you right now. I have a couple clean shirts here. I know it's on the floor, but don't worry, I vacuumed. I normally do this on my bed where I can actually stand up and have it be level to me. Anyway, I'm just doing this because it's way better lighting. So I'm going to show you a couple ways to fold a couple different tops here. So let's go ahead and put that one to the side. So one of the key things is that you need to take it not from the front. So you need to lay the front down like this. All right. And you fold out like, you know, as best as you can. I mean, you don't want to like spend forever on this, otherwise you're going to drive yourself crazy. But you do want enough space from here to here on the surface that you are folding this on. So keep in mind it's going to have to be a kind of taller surface. But you can definitely deal with shorter if you like just kind of put this top part on the surface that you are folding the sleeves on. So this does work for long sleeves as well, but it's a little bit more difficult. So basically what you do is you fold into thirds. So as you can see, there are creases that are from the thirds right now, but what you do is you take it from the sleeve and you fold it across so the top is like completely, see, like that. And then you take this, put that there, put that sleeve there. Now if it was long sleeve, you would fold it down and it would just kind of drape down like that. And then basically you just do the other one. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put it over it like that, and then you're going to put that back like this. And then you're going to go from the bottom of it, and you're going to fold it to the height of your drawer. So kind of remember what how tall your drawer is. So for me, I have pretty short drawers. So I'm going to start like this, then I go like this, this, this. Now sometimes you're like, what's that? So like there's trial and error. You know, different shirts have different things. So you just go ahead and go like boom, and then like boom, boom, boom. Yeah, there's a t-shirt. And as you can see, you can put it in your drawer like this, so it goes like boom, 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 or like boom, 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 like that. So let's go ahead and we'll put that to the side. Now it does work for tank tops as well. So let's go ahead and do a tank top. Now remember, front of the top to the side. You know these are super wrinkly. I need an iron. Whatever. Don't hate me. Okay. So you fold it in. You get the little strip up there. Fold it in. Put the little strip up there. Now with tank tops, why does this have to be on the floor? Tank tops, you have to kind of like do it a little differently. So you have to kind of fold it like from the top first, and then just kind of like do, you know, that kind of thing. So because the tank tops have these thin little parts to the top, so you just kind of have to do it like that. And then yeah, if you have it in your drawer, you can like lay them out like this, or you can lay them out like this, depending on what. Now, if you lay them out like this though, keep in mind this is going to be in the back of your drawer. So what I've done is, here I've done it like this, but there's some that are back like this, and those are the ones that I wear the least. So if you lay it out like this, the ones you wear the least, you put it in there. But also you have to think about, are they in the back of my drawer? Why am I wearing them the least? Maybe I should just get rid of them. So anyways, there's a way to fold some tops for you. All right, so let's go ahead and put these tops back in their drawers, and you can see every one of them. Beautiful. All right. So there you have it. There's a really basic rundown of how I live day to day at home. So let's go ahead and play some Xbox now. What? Oh, come on! Seriously? I didn't even see that. Ugh.